Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful emerald green look. I love the way that it turned out and it's using one of my favorite palettes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful emerald green look. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It was not the direction I was going in, but I really liked the outcome. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. All right guys, so I'm going to take this Smashbox Always On cream shadow in the shade Amber, and I'm going to use this as my primer today. And I'm feeling olive. I'm sorry, I know I always do olive, but I promise we'll try and make it a little different than the normal. I don't know what that even means. So it's really cold. I feel really cold today. And my husband was like, why don't you just, he's like, throw your hat on and your scarf. And I'm like, I don't know about my hat, but I will put on my scarf. And it does help a little. I don't know why I'm so cold. So for today's look, we're going to be playing with the Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette. Ooh. I didn't cut my hair, by the way. It's just sitting, well, I had my sister trim it again, but I have it inside my scarf. So I'm going to start off by taking in Happy Glow this shade right here. And I'm just going to blend that into the crease. Scarf is going to drive me nuts, but I'm so freaking cold. I love this color. I'm also going to bring that just right into this inner corner here. Really make sure that I get in there. Am I gonna go olive? No, I'm thinking like, do I wanna go olive or do I wanna go gold? And then I'm just gonna bring it down the sides of my nose and then just blend because I don't wanna lose my nose. So I was gonna tell you guys that for my foundation, I have on my NARS foundation, and I use my Smashbox concealer. I've been really just kind of sticking with the basics because I do really love those two together, and I find that they last so well that I don't have to worry about like touching up or anything. So I've been beyond in love with those. So I'm debating on whether I want to go into Dream Glow, which is this green section here, and use that as my highlight, this as the inner corner, and that as the outer corner shade. Don't know. I love this brown. This is my kind of brown. I'm gonna go into the deeper green. And oops. And I'm just going to start stamping this. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna use a flat brush to really pack the color on. I think I'm going to do a halo eye. I was hoping that this would be a little bit more intense, but it's pretty sheer, or soft I should say. It's not sheer, it's softer. I'm going to take the middle shade. This is not what I wanted. It's pretty, but I wanted something a little bit more intense. I think I'm gonna have to pull out my Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. This is pretty though. I am going to take this shade here. I know this isn't olive, but you know, sometimes you just kind of have to go with the inspiration, and this is where I'm at. That green just, it always catches my eye. I'm going to take this brush and take the same emerald green and just kind of buff along the edges. I love a good emerald green. I'm debating on what I want to, I think I know what I'm going to use on the center. I'm going to use this by Natasha Denona. And I'm going to take the flat brush and just apply it to the center. This is called Scarab, by the way. Yes, this is exactly what I was not thinking about. But I love the way that it looks. I saw these yesterday. I was putting something away in my drawer, and I saw, I'm like, oh, I need to pull those out and play with those some more because they're just so beautiful. So I'm just going to take that green and really just press that into the inner and outer corner, and we'll get a clean brush to blend. But I really want this green to be the star. I'm going to take, I'm going to take this green here, and with my fluffy brush I'm going to use that to blend my crease, just to keep it in the green family and not add any warmth or anything to it. I hate this stupid inner corner. It's so difficult to work with because it sags a little. But that is life, right? Okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of that scarab. I'm really concentrating the pigmentation on the lower part of my eye and then blending up. And don't worry about this looking messy because you guys know we always clean up towards the end. Alright guys, so I took a gel liner in, it's so worn out, it's an old gel liner by MAC Cosmetics. Freshened it up with some Duraline by Eclat. So this is what we are looking like. I'm just going to touch up the green on the outer and inner part, and then we'll come back to finish the rest of this look. I took my Marc Jacobs Fantastic, used that on my cheeks, and I also used my now empty Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which is why my skin looks dewy. I'm going to let that set before I go in with a little powder in the T-zone. And for my lips, I'm going to be using Up and Down Tan by Makeup Forever, and I'm going to be using this Gucci lipstick in Bay Matte in Argentina, and then we'll go in and do blush and stuff. So I'm going to take this powder puff, which has translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to hit the center of my face with it. So I'm going to take She's Sincere Blush by Patrick Ta. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I really love the way that this look turned out. It wasn't what I had in mind, but I'm really happy with the outcome. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and be sure to like this video as it does help my channel grow. If you guys have any suggestions for upcoming videos, I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.